In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transcode a folder of videos using Handbrake. It's a straightforward process that can save you a lot of time when you need to convert multiple files at once. So, let's dive right in. First things first, let's get organized. Before you even open Handbrake, make sure that all the video files you wish to convert are neatly placed in a single folder. This step is vital as it allows Handbrake to scan through your files quickly and with ease. Having your files all in one location not only simplifies the next steps, but also ensures that nothing is accidentally left behind during conversion. Once you have your videos collected in one folder, it's time to launch Handbrake. After opening Handbrake, you will see an option labeled Folder Batch Scan prominently displayed on the interface. Go ahead and click on that. This feature is specifically designed for scanning an entire folder of video files in one go, making it a powerful tool when dealing with large batches. Now, navigate to the folder where your video files are located. Select that folder to enable Handbrake to start scanning. In this scanning process, Handbrake examines your folder and compiles a list of all the video files contained within. This step might take a moment depending on how many videos you have, but it's worth it for the convenience of batch processing. With your files loaded and listed, the next thing to do is add these videos to Handbrake's queue. This step is where you can truly appreciate the efficiency of Handbrake's batch processing capability. By adding videos to the queue, you ensure that each file will be converted in succession without additional prompt. Also, take a moment to explore the preset options. Presets allow you to adjust the output settings of your videos according to your needs. Whether it's adjusting the resolution or tweaking the compression rate, presets can save you from configuring each video individually, ensuring consistency across your entire batch. After customizing each video's settings to your preference, you're ready to get things rolling. Click Start Queue, which initiates the batch conversion process. Handbrake will begin processing each video, applying your selected settings one after the other. All you need to do now is wait for Handbrake to work its magic, which it does efficiently, handling each file with the settings you've specified. And that's all there is to it. With these steps, you can effortlessly transcode an entire folder of videos, saving you time and hassle. Batch processing in Handbrake is perfect for those who need to manage multiple files, delivering professional quality results with minimal effort. So give it a try and streamline your video conversion process today.